So why the policy hack? So it brings together innovation ecosystem representatives to design solutions to a specific challenge that has been identified in being innovative from a policy standing or government perspective.
Para plantear soluciones a necesidades de los ciudadanos.
The way it's done is that we define challenges, or we ask ecosystem representatives to bring forward a challenge. We put together teams of entrepreneurs, investors, policymakers, corporate innovation people, and they hack that challenge, almost like in a startup competition, like in a hackathon. They need to hack, then they need to pitch, and then the best solution is the one that wins. We put policymakers in an agile, dynamic environment that typically startups find themselves in.